See what happens when you add Epsom salt to your plants. If you enjoy hot baths, and who doesn't, you've probably used this wonderfully soothing and healing salt before. But it has other great uses too. Who would have thought? It's all natural and completely safe to keep in your home. And it's cheap too. In this video, we'll explore the incredible things Epsom salt can do for your garden. Your plants will appreciate it, and you'll surely be thrilled with the results too. Here are some of the best ways to use Epsom salt for your plants and garden. Number 1. Give new growing areas a good start. If you've got a new area of land that you've designated for planting, start by adding some Epsom salts to the soil. This will help neutralize pH levels, and you can say goodbye to chemical fertilizers, since it improves nutrient absorption. In addition, this salt will help seed germination and strengthen cell walls, resulting in stronger seedlings. Just add 1 cup of Epsom salt per 100 square feet of land. Make sure you mix it in well with the soil before starting to plant. Number 2. Help prevent root shock. If you want to transfer plants from pots into the ground, or just move some from one location to another, it can be tricky sometimes, and you can damage the roots or cause transplant shock. You have to be very careful. Using a bit of Epsom salt, though, can make these transitions easier. In a gallon of water, mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, and once you've moved your plants to their new location, water them with this mix. It will help with chlorophyll production and nutrient uptake. Number 3. Soil amendments for peppers, tomatoes, and roses. Want more beautiful roses and a lot more peppers and tomatoes? Then try amending the soil with Epsom salts before planting. Since these plants require high magnesium levels to thrive, they will benefit the most from the micronutrients contained within this salt. You'll need a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt for every 25 square feet of land. And after you sprinkle it on the soil, mix it in about 6 to 8 inches deep. Number 4. Deter creepy crawlies and animals. While most of us rarely enjoy the sight of insects, we do tend to like animals. Rabbits, deer, raccoons, cute buggers. That is, until they start eating the plants in the garden. To help deter bugs and animals from munching on your prized plants, you can make a quick spray solution. Mix 1 cup of Epsom salt in 5 gallons of water, and then spray the leaves of your plants. Of course, this is not a guaranteed fix, and your furry friends may keep stopping by to say hello. But it's unlikely they will be interested in eating your plants. The same goes for any insects. Number 5. Combat leaf curling and yellowing. Sometimes you'll notice the leaves on a plant curl or turn yellow, and you just aren't sure why it's happening or what could be causing it. Assuming you've ruled out any issues like overwatering or underwatering, then it's the perfect time to try some Epsom salt. It may just do the trick. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water, and then spray your plant's leaves. Number 6. Rejuvenates Lawn. If your lawn isn't looking quite as good as it used to, rather than making major changes or applying chemicals, try Epsom salt. You'll need to get a spreader, and then add about 3 pounds of the salt to start. Then move the spreader around the lawn to cover it evenly. Keep in mind that you'll need about 5 pounds of Epsom salt for every 1,000 square feet, so be sure to get enough before you start. And for maintenance, do this twice a year, once at the start of spring and then again in the fall. Number 7. Apply around trees. Trees definitely hold the top spot for the largest plants in your garden, and Epsom salts can greatly benefit them too. Improve the absorption of minerals by adding some to the soil. You'll have stronger and healthier trees. Epsom salts can further help if your trees bloom or produce fruits. There will be a noticeable increase in both. Over the area of the tree roots, work in about 1 tablespoon for every 5 square feet of soil, and do this 3 to 4 times each year. It will help your trees become healthier and will help them deal better with weather changes. Bonus: Epsom salt also helps remove a splinter. If you've been gardening for a while, you are no stranger to getting those dreaded splinters. After all, it's really hard to avoid them, even if you wear gloves. Next time this happens to you, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt to a cup of water, and then soak the affected area. This process will help loosen the area around the splinter, drawing it out. While generally it's good to have a soil test done before adding nutrients, one of the best things about Epsom salt is that it's neutral in pH value, meaning it won't damage your soil, and it can be beneficial to most plants. So ultimately, it's safe and easy to use, and solves many garden-related problems. Give it a try. You'll have healthier plants, and your neighbors will be in awe of just how well kept your garden is. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.